Did you know that most chickens stop laying eggs in the winter not because they are lazy, but because they are missing something small but crucial? Cold days, short light, a damp coop, and poor nutrition quickly exhaust hens. Then they spend their energy on warming their bodies, not on producing eggs. If their feet are cold, if there's not enough light, and if the food is not rich, the eggs disappear overnight. So stay with us until the end because we reveal the secret recipe that will encourage your chickens to lay eggs every day. Subscribe to our channel is completely free. So let's go to our video right away. In winter, it is especially important that the coop is dry, without drafts, that they have thick bedding, and at least a little extra light in the morning or evening. But the most important thing of all is what you give them to eat. Corn alone is not enough. Then the hens are looking for warmth, protein, and minerals. Experienced homeowners know when you make a mistake in your diet in winter, there is no spring that will quickly bring back the eggs. But when you find the right combination, hens can lay eggs like clockwork, even on the coldest days. So let's immediately discover the secret recipe that will keep your hens healthy, strong, and always laying eggs in winter. Simple, cheap, and proven in the countryside for generations. Take warm water, not hot. Add a handful of corn, a tablespoon of wheat bran, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a little apple cider vinegar. Mix everything well and give it to the hens in the morning while it is still cold. This combination warms the body, strengthens the immune system, improves digestion, and provides the energy needed to lay eggs. If you add a pinch of eggshells or chalk to this, you will also get a solid shell on each egg. The result? Healthier hens, more energy, and regular eggs even in the middle of winter. Don't forget to share this important video with your friends on social networks. If you like this natural and proven advice, like the video, follow the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more homemade tricks for chickens, eggs, and a healthy chicken coop. Thank you for that.